Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. Please welcome to Home Garden and Fashion. Today I'd like to share with you a t-shirt decoration. This one I'm doing with the crystal color rhinestone. I was doing some other project and I bought a huge pack of crystal color rhinestone from the local craft store. I will give you the name in the description box. And with this I decided to decorate this t-shirt without any decoration. It looks so plain and simple, and with this decoration it really looks lovely. Shall show you how I did it. When you're doing any decoration on a t-shirt, if you follow the neckline and do the decoration on the neckline first, then it's easy. Then you can, if you feel like it, you can add some in the body as well. So over here what you do is you lay them down like this and you look at it, see if you like it, how it looks. So exactly I did, and then you will pick up one by one and then add it. You let them lay it out just like that, so that way it looks nice, or you can use a chalk to mark it. So now I'm going to add this one to show you how I added it. I'm using the glitter dimensional fabric paint, gold color slash glue. So this is paint slash glue. Now you use a pretty big dot because you want a beautiful trim on the outside. So you put at the center and then use your index finger to press it down gently, but while you pressing down, make sure you centered it and like go in a circle motion, so it gives a pretty nice trim all around, not in one side. So you see we have a beautiful trim. And now here you see this one I have done an hour ago and it's dry. Now you can see it's drying and it has a beautiful gold trim at the edge, and that really looks lovely. I'm gonna do the same for this one. So you put a big dot. Yeah, that's a pretty big one. And now you take your rhinestone and place it at the center, and take your index finger and sort of like roll on it, but don't let it slip away, then it will create a mess. So gently roll, very gentle roll. If you ever made pizza or bread, then you would know how to just roll like this. Like this, see? It gave a beautiful circle trim. Now this trim, when it dries, it will be beautiful gold color and it really look pretty. And in case it slips away from your finger and creates a mess, you instantly use a paper towel to dry it off quickly. And you can wet this paper towel or wet a piece of cloth and dry with that as well. So if you do the cleaning up instantly, then it will not damage your decoration. But if you wait couple of hours to clean it, then you won't be able to take it out from the fabric. So this really looks nice. This really adds a beautiful design to a plain t-shirt. You can add this kind of design to anything in your salwar kurta, dupatta, anything in your langa choli, and give it a really shiny look. So this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and do give me a like at my Facebook fan page. And I thank you so much to each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.